So hey everybody, my name is Beau Reed. I own Papa Chop's Rod and Reel Repair. I don't work for Phenix rods or anything like that. I'm not paid by them, but I really felt like I needed to do this video. I've been building a lot on the Phenix Ultra MBX blank. It's the UMBX 606 medium. It's 6 foot 6 inches long. It's line rated for 8 to 17 pounds. It can handle a 1/4 ounce to 5/8 ounce weights. It's a fast action. Manufacturer's suggested retail price is like $249. The blank alone you can find for $109. And I've built so many of these now, specifically for speckled trout, redfish, and flounder rods. And it is such a great rod that I wanted to do this video about it. So what it is, it's the Phenix UMBX 606 medium. It's fast action, 6 foot 6 inches long. I pair it up with black pearl recoil guides, downsizing the guides almost as much as I can with a Fuji Sick tip top, LGST tip top. And this rod is so sensitive and it's so small in diameter with such a great backbone. It is, I feel like it's ultimately the best trout, redfish, flounder rod I've ever built. And they're such a hit, and I just want Phenix to know that you build an outstanding blank. I love building on it, and every one of them have come out unbelievable. All my customers that have bought them have told me that, you know, some have told me that it's their new favorite rod and things like that, and I've never had one negative comment about it. Every customer I've got loves them. Most of them have come back and bought another one or had another one built. So I highly recommend this blank. It's the UMBX 606 medium fast. Line rating 8 to 17 pounds. Lure rating 1/4 ounce to 5/8 ounce. If you have any questions, my name is Beau Reed. I highly recommend it. My number is 512-294-3155. I'm headquartered right here in Austin, Texas. Thank you, Phenix.